Chase, what does a lizard say? What does a lizard say? What does a lizard say? How about a snake? What's a snake say? How about a sheep? What does a sheep say? Bah! What does a dog say? How about an owl? What does an owl say? Woo-hoo! Chase! Chase!
Get your man, look, there's no mommy.
What does a cow say?
Moo.
Moo! Can you say moo? What does a cow say?
Moo.
And how about a lizard? What does a lizard say? One more time.
Chase,
What does a lizard say?
You've been through the lizard.
Chase,
what about a coyote? Chase.
Can you smile? Can you smile and wave to everyone?
Chase, tell Daddy what a coyote says. Chase, what does a coyote say? Coyote, what does he say? How about a walrus? And a seal? And a chicken, how about a chicken?
How about a bird? What does a bird say?
What does a bird say? An eagle? What does an eagle say, Chase? Huh? What does an eagle say? Oh, wait, no.